at the back that I used on the U-beam. Gave it some support. This beam is going to be replaced. It's pretty rusted underneath. But anyway, I could still use it to do the pulling without actually bending it any further than it already is bent. The middle one we straightened out. That was quite bent. Somebody obviously tried to lift it with it seems with a heister. I think this van actually also had some serious abuse maybe in the junkyard. These two dents that I found on the corner here and some dents on the roof make me think that they piled another vehicle on the top here. So yeah, that obviously also created a lot of damage. But I have loaded, over the years, I have loaded these combis, the panel van models. Here's one with windows in, quite rusty. This one has had so much weight on that back and nothing ever bent. So the abuse here was quite considerable. One can see it by all the little dents, which are maybe not that easily to pick up. Yeah, I spent a few hours underneath the wheel well and on the outside. I still have to spend some more time trying to straighten this out. One can sort of see where the low spots were. I haven't gone over it again with a grinder. There's still a low spot where the paint's showing up. All these shiny pieces, most of them, they've been worked. This is now pretty flat and straightened out. There is a line here, a standard line that goes down. It changes angle slightly. This was all rather buckled. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm getting up and I'm going to go around this side. Then I'll show you here from the impact where I'm still busy with the seam now, which is sort of part of the same job. That's now been brought back together. It's been worked a lot before. So yeah, some places we've got some tears in it, and of course then there's still rust on the seam underneath. I'm going to try and see if I can see anything from underneath. Before we do that, this was a quick improvisation. We don't need a lot of pulling power here. So because I didn't have any anchors here, I don't have a body pulling rack. So I attached that temporarily to the wheel, this wooden beam, up there with a winch, going to that pillar there, and put a bit of tension on that.